Hi everyone, it's Daniel Daly with John L. Scott, and we have Stephen DeLuca with Priority Home Lending. Today, Stephen wanted to talk to us a little bit about one of the things he was able to do with his past client that you might find very helpful. So take it away, Stephen.
Hey everybody, I wanted to share a story from last year. At the end of the year, we was helping a first-time home buyer that came to me at the recommendation of another past client who had been pre-approved at their credit union. And they were a first-time home buyer, so getting every last dollar out of the approval was really important for their family. So they were pre-approved at $140,000 and pretty frustrated with what was out there at $140,000. So I offered to take a second look. And what I was able to do, I asked them for more documentation at their other lender. So it did seem like they had to do a little bit more work, but at the end of the day, I was able to restructure their loan and take their pre-approval from 140 to 170, which changed everything for them. I know 30,000 may not seem like, but it crossed them into a new price range. They were able to shop in that 150 to 170 homes that they weren't able to look at, and all because I did a little bit more work. And I required more documentation, but I was able to find more income that I could use and was confident in being able to use. And we did close, and it ended up getting a more house. So I recommend speaking with a mortgage advisor. Banks are great. Credit unions are great. A lot of people go to their bank because it's comfortable.
Yeah.
It's where I have my accounts here. I know people here. I see Susie every day, the teller, and it's a
built-in trust.
Built-in trust. So, but banks and credit unions also deal with a lot of other things, and so a mortgage advisor only deals with mortgages. They are good at mortgages. They should be.
Mm-hmm.
And so I recommend getting a second opinion from somebody that's a mortgage advisor. That's all they do. That's all their company exists to do.
I think it's important too. Was this one of the brokers in this office?
Yeah, this was a John L. Scott.
Yeah. So they knew that they could come to you, and that they knew you would put forth the effort and everything. And I talk to brokers about that, because sometimes we have clients, they've got an online evaluation and they've been pre-approved for so much, but there's no connection or relationship with that other lender or the online bank and that sort of thing. So or
they're too busy. I mean, banks have a lot of clients that come in, they walk in and they give them a pre-approval, and it happens fast. But
I think also from an agent's point of view, it's much more difficult to work with someone from a bank, because they have to have permission to talk to me. Whereas if you already have a relationship with a lender that you trust and your client's working with them, it really is a team effort. So what is the process, real quick, not to make this video too long, but what is the process? I have a client, they already have an opinion from somebody, they may or may not have a relationship with them, but what's the best way for me to get you guys connected as a second opinion?
It's for me to get a phone number.
Okay.
And it's important to let your client know that I only need a 10 to 15 minute phone call just to kind of assess goals, dreams, needs, and hear a little bit about their previous pre-approval.
Okay.
and then tell them about my process. And with an online application and sending documents, we could be meeting face to face, but I always ask for a 10 to 15 minute phone call.
Okay,
so a phone number and just a brief introduction, and I can either text or email them and ask them a good time to talk.
Awesome. Okay. Well, hopefully that story is helpful, you guys. Thanks for watching. Stephen, thanks for your time. Have a great day.
See ya.